Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the next question of exercise 11 from the book of R.S. Agrawal for class 10th students and from the chapter T ratios of some particular angles. So, here I have taken a question, and that is question number 16. If A and B are the acute angles such that tan A is equal to 1 by 3 and tan B is equal to 1 by 2 and tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B, then show that A plus B is equal to 45 degree. So we have to prove A plus B is equal to 45 degree. So here it's given that given that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, so here the value of tan A plus B. Tan A is given 1 by 3 plus tan B is given 1 upon 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, because the value of tan A is 1 by 3 and tan B is 1 by 2. So now by solving it, we will get tan A plus B is equal to, we will get the LCM and it will be 6. So 2 plus 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 6. Clear? So tan A plus B is equal to 5 upon 6 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6, because we will get the LCM and the LCM will be 6. So 6 minus 1 upon 6, and we will get tan A plus B is equal to 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6. So after converting it, we will get 5 upon 6 into 6 upon 5. 6 to 6 will be cancelled and 5 will be cancelled. So we will get tan A plus B is equal to 1. Okay, so tan 45, the value of 1 is tan 45. We already know that, since tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So at here at the place of 1 we can write tan 45 degrees. So we can write tan A plus B is equal to tan 45 degree. So tan will be cancelled and we will get A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Okay, hence proved. It's clear, because here we have to show A plus B is equal to 45 degrees. So we have already proved it that A plus B is 45 degree. It's okay. So I hope that you got this solution very well. Now we will move to the next question. So here I have taken on next question, and it is question number 21, and it's given if tan x plus 30 degree is equal to 1, then find out the value of x. So here we have to find the value of x. So we will solve it, given that tan x plus 30 degree is equal to 1, and we know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So at the place of 1 we can write 45, tan 45 degree. So tan x plus 30 degree is equal to tan 45 degree. So 10 and 10 will be cancelled. We will get x plus 30 degree is equal to 45 degree. So x will be 45 degree minus 30 degree by transferring. So now we will get x is equal to 15 degree. So the value of x will be 50 degree. Clear? So here in question it's given to find out the value of x. So the value of x will be 15 degree. That will be the answer. So I hope it's very easy, and very easily I gave the solution of this question. So I hope that you have understood these two questions very well. In next video I will solve the next problem. So you all must like my video and subscribe it, and thank you and have a good day.